National All-Rounder Championship was a unique and complete package of interesting activities ranging from entertainment to learning new languages to real-life situations. It was a mind-opener for students and has made them self-learners and confident.
It is a wonderful event in which every child completes 30 age-appropriate activities from their homes across 5 development themes.
KidX National All-Rounder Championship was a fun championship organized for 90 days which helped me boost various skills of mine. Plus, it also helped me find things I'm quite good at. It taught me time management, like we should complete a particular task in a particular period of time. It also taught me that we should try to do a work better than we did previously.
This journey started in December, where we had to complete 30 activities in 90 days. Initially, we thought that some of them are very hard to achieve, but once we started accomplishing those, there was no looking back. We started to enjoy doing activities week over week, and we started to receive grades every week, which gave us an idea that what is going well and what needs to be improved. The time to improve the activities, which was overall 3 months, was very good, and every activity could be repeated 3 times to repeat and improve the grades. The best part about the competition was that there was no peer comparison. Every activity had very clear guidelines of assessment, that this is how you will be assessed. So we were very clear that whether we are trying for a master's rating or an expert. And the activities were split across various themes, so the child never felt monotonous and really enjoyed doing the activities.
All the activities that were organized had something unique and challenging aspect, which was the major highlight of this entire program. So we thoroughly enjoyed being a part of this platform.
All-Rounder National Championship, as it is a well-organized, adequately planned and an exceptional platform for unveiling the hidden talents and skill of the children of this age, as this program can be a cornerstone in planning the future of the kids by motivating them to excel in certain direction in which they can enjoy and take interest while balancing studies as well.
It was like uncovering a new aspect of my kids' development every day.
KidX takes a holistic approach to make the teaching learning process fun and meaningful to the students. This kind of activity does not restrict to the classroom setting. Parents and educators can work in collaboration to create an environment where children can experiment and explore.
An amazing platform to learn and unlearn for kids and parents both. We are very delighted to experience the concept of these innovative activities. We sincerely appreciate the effort KidX has put in to help kids and parents know the capability of their children, which otherwise would have been unknown. Such excellent quality learning platform is exceptional and can be developed only after careful research.
I think it was a great event, and it is one of a kind because every activity was designed in a way to improve different aspects of a kid's development. I didn't even know that my daughter was capable of or was interested in most of these activities till she did them as part of the KidX event. And I think it also improved the family bonding between the parents and the kids.
Oh, what a delight it was to be a part of 3-month-long journey of the KidX National All-Rounder Championship.
The plant parenting, turn code debate, the slow cycling one, blind spots. Though the entire topics chosen by the KidX team were as per age and were really meant to provide them a holistic learning environment.
KidX is 1, KidX is 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, KidX is 1. 30 active 90 days, 30 active 90 days, lots and fun and lots of race.
I really want to thank KidX who has given me opportunity to explore my talents, which
I was even unaware of. I performed so many activities which I had never performed earlier, like dancing. As I'm good in sports, I was having least interest in it, but because of the activities framed by KidX, I tried, and now as for my near and dear ones, I'm quite good at it.
My personal favorites were empathy, product design, plant parenting, and blind spots.
I also learned many new things like rap, cooking, gymnastics, very hard clay modeling, voiceover, etc. And I hope these kind of activities come up again sometime soon.
I loved all my activities, but stop motion was my favorite. I learned a new application and enjoyed a lot.
The activities that I like the most are turncoat, public speaking, and financial literacy. These activities really enhanced his understanding and also helped boost his confidence.
And today when we see his name on the top of the leaderboard, the feeling is just speechless. For Pratyaksh, football and empathy was difficult, but he did it so well. Shadow art, emotions, thumb art was enjoyed by my little daughter of 3 years as well. 30 different fields at one platform. It's just amazing.
NARC has become the most common acronym used in our house in the last 3 months. It has been a great platform and a great learning curve for Samaira. She has learned to overcome her nervousness in certain activities, shyness, and also strive for excellence. Undoubtedly, it is the first of its kind in India, a very, very innovative platform for doing by learning, and also covering such a wide variety of topics and activities which I never had thought that Samaira would understand. For example, gender bias, such a difficult topic, but now she's confident and she knows about it.
Thank you so much, Team KidX, for helping me push my boundaries and overcome my fear of certain activities. I'm going to miss you.
The event organized by KidX is well thought of, well planned and well executed. All the activities in this competition is unique and bring best of child. 3 months we spent over KidX. Activities were exciting, fun-loving and lots of challenges.
Our children learned problem solving along with a growth in their metacognitive skills. KidX had designed activities which triggered innovative and structured thinking amongst the students. What I learn and see is that the children have turned into smart, problem-solving individuals as well as critical thinkers.
KidX has been a journey in which the child could break its self-defined boundaries, go into newer pastures, think out of the box, and I believe that KidX has contributed into shaping the futures of tomorrow, because even if something could be taken forward and applied in their lives, which they have learned as a part of the journey, I would say it has been a big impact.
Thank you, Team KidX, for organizing such a wonderful event for not only the kids but also for the parents who got quality time to spend with their kids in order to polish them in a better way through these activities that were organized by the KidX platform. It was a great learning and fun experience for both the parent and the child.
The entire tenure was full of fun and learning. Our child got detailed knowledge on various topics and social issues. He understood about his weakness, and continuously during the tenure he worked hard to improve on his weaknesses and convert his weaknesses into his strengths and strong areas.
I must say that KidX challenge thrown at children was a wonderful initiative by IITians to assess the wholesome personality of a child, and designing the activities for the age group of 3 to 17 must have been a challenging task for them. But children enjoyed that thoroughly.
In this championship, I learned new thing, which is new and excited, not only for me, but for my parents also. I play chess, now with full notation, which is really very great achievement for me. Thanks Team KidX for organizing such an amazing and entertaining platform of activities, which gave me challenges to push myself to the level
where I can believe in myself and confidently perform these activities to the perfection. Now I feel more confident and energetic as these activities made me imbibe the positive thoughts and energy which will be very helpful in my future endeavor.
We now know what are the strong areas of Advik's personality and also the areas we need to keep an eye on. As the kids are growing and learning every day, having a buddy like KidX can be of real help.
Kudos to Team KidX for a super duper management of winter edition. 30 activities over 90 days, 3 submissions, 5 reviews, so many schools and participants. The job was done just flawlessly. A very prompt support system answering every query over the email. The technology was efficiently used, making the participation seamless, that built great amount of enthusiasm within the kids to participate and stay engaged. It even became addictive at a certain point.
The way the event was executed, the timely responses by the team, and the frequent updates were all commendable.
The prompt and detailed feedback given, 3 chances being given, these all were those kind of small things being done by Team KidX, which really helped build confidence in our child and work hard to improve himself. It was like a Kaizen which was going on. We were waiting for the leaderboards every week along with the kids because that really motivated the kid to work hard and improve continuously.
We appreciate all the hard work that was done by the entire team in sending the scoreboards, leaderboards on timely basis, which kept our weekends as occupied and engaging as well.
Children handled it very, very well.
And competing at school, state and national levels simultaneously is really commendable. I also appreciate the professionalism of KidX team for working efficiently and resolving all the issues raised by parents promptly. Providing an interim scorecard on regular basis has given a chance to kids to perform better. Really want my child to be a part of this event in future as well. Thank you so much, KidX.
Thank you, KidX, and looking forward for more.
Looking forward to participate in more such activities. Thank you.
I look forward to the next launch of KidX in May 2021. Thank you.
And we also would like to thank Team KidX for organizing this entire competition in such a wonderful way. Thank you so much for your patience, your prompt responses via WhatsApp and email, and also continuously updating us about our child's performance and also providing such wonderful opportunities to better what we have done. It has been such an amazing journey for us and we both have really enjoyed it.
A big hats off to the team for bringing up this kind of a challenge for all group of children, all age groups of children.
Thank you once again, Team KidX. Keep up the good work. Kudos to the entire Team KidX.
And I want to thank KidX for unleashing the hidden talent in my daughter. Thank you, Team KidX.
Thank you, Team KidX.
Waiting eagerly for the next edition of National All-Rounder Championship. Thank you.
These 90 days or 3 months were quite a lot of fun. Thank you, KidX.
I feel that I become better than prior in the terms of body language, word delivery, etc. KidX is really awesome made in India product. Love you, KidX.
Wonderfully managed, and a big thank you to the Team KidX for managing it so efficiently with success. Thank you.
We would like to summarize KidX as knowledge increased during entire excursion. Thank you, KidX, for organizing such activities.
We wish you all success. Thank you.
Thank you, KidX.
Thank you, Team KidX.
Thank you, Team KidX. I love KidX. Thank you. Happy learning.